If you are looking for the questions with answers from the chapter 18 of class 5 EVS book, No Place for Us, then you are in the right place. This video contains all the possible questions with their answers from this chapter along with those from the exercise. You please take a look at the list of the questions. If you want more such videos with question and answer from other topics of different subjects from different classes, you may subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for all the upcoming videos. Let us start.
Question 1. Where did Jatrabhai live? Answer. Jatrabhai lived in Mumbai. They came to Mumbai from Sinduri village. Before that, Jatrabhai lived in Khedi village where he was born. Question 2. What did Jatrabhai do in Mumbai? Answer. Jatrabhai used to repair torn fishing nets in Mumbai. Question 3. Why was it difficult for Jatrabhai to run his family in Mumbai? Answer. Jatrabhai had to come Mumbai from Sinduri village for some better earning. In Mumbai he started to repair torn fishing nets, but he did not get enough money from this work. Besides, he had to pay for the medicines, food, school fees of the children, house rent, and even for buying drinking water. That is why it was difficult for Jatrabhai to run his family smoothly in Mumbai. Question 4. What did Sidhya used to do daily? Answer. Sidhya was the son of Jatrabhai who had to come to Mumbai in search of better earning. The income of Jatrabhai was not sufficient enough for their family expenses in Mumbai, so young Sidhya had to work to earn money. He used to go to a nearby fish factory. There he cleaned and stored the big and small fishes from 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Then he would come back home and would go to school in the afternoon just after taking a nap. In the evening he used to wander around the vegetable market to help some ladies to carry their bags. Sometimes he would go to the railway station to pick up empty bottles and newspapers to sell those to the junk seller. This was the daily routine of Sidhya. Question 5. How was the Kheri village? Answer. Jatrabhai was born in a village named Kheri which was in the middle of thick green jungles and hills. The village was peaceful and full of many soothing sounds like the gurgle of flowing river, murmur of trees, and the chirping of birds. People in that village used to do farming and collect wild fruits, roots, and dried wood from the nearby forest. The people here liked to chat, sing, dance, play flute and dhol, make pots of clay and bamboo. They used to collect things from the forests and catch fish from big river for their own use and also for selling in the town across the river. They used to buy salt, oil, rice, clothes, etc. from the town. The people there were very much helpful and stood beside each other in good and bad times. During the festival times, all the people used to enjoy very much by dancing and playing drums together. In their village they all used to respect the elders who used to arrange the weddings and settle quarrels. In their village all the people lived together like a big family. Question 6. Why do you think families like that of Jatrabhai are coming to big cities? Answer. The families, like that of Jatrabhai, live in villages where they do not have sufficient earning. So they have to struggle much for their livelihood. In hope of better earning and a smoother life for their families, they are coming to the big cities. Question 7. In Kheri village, what did all the children learn? Answer. In Kheri village, the children learnt many things from their elders, like dancing together, playing flute and dhol, making pots of clay and bamboo, recognizing birds and imitating their sounds, collecting fruits, woods, and other necessary things from the forest. Besides, they also learnt farming and fishing from their elders. Question 8. Why did Jatrabhai have to leave Kheri? Answer. Jatrabhai had to leave Kheri because a big dam was to be built on the river, and due to this Kheri and many other nearby villages would be drowned under water. Due to this, the existence of these villages would be going to be disappeared shortly.
Question 9. What did the government officials do in the Khedi village? Answer. After the announcement of dam construction, the government officials came to visit the villages like Kheri with the police. They measured the width and the length of the river, the fields, forests and houses. They called meetings with the elders of the village to convince them for evacuating their land at Kheri. They also promised to give them land on the other side of the river where they would get the facilities of school, hospital, electricity, buses and trains etc. which they could not even dream in Kheri. That was what the government officials did in the Khedi village.
Question 10. From Kheri, where did Jatrabhai go? Answer. From Kheri, Jatrabhai went to Sinduri village. After living a few years there, he went to Mumbai in hope of a better life. Question 11. Why did Jatrabhai feel excited about leaving Kheri? Answer. The villagers of Kheri like Jatrabhai had to leave Kheri due to the government project of constructing dam, though Jatrabhai was not happy but also felt some excitement about leaving their village. He would think that after getting married he would take his bride in the new house in the new village. He would think that in his new house he would press a button for the light and would turn on the tap for water. He would go to the city by bus and he would send his children to school. By imagining these facilities, Jatrabhai felt excited about leaving Kheri. Question 12. How was the life of Jatrabhai in Sinduri village? Answer. In the Sinduri village, where Jatrabhai's family had to come from Kheri, they got a small house and a small piece of land from the government as the compensation. The land was full of rocks and stones and not good for farming. The house of Jatrabhai had just one room with tin shade. There was no place to keep animals and the land was not good for farming. So they did not have a stable source of income. They had to pay money for everything like medicines, food, vegetables, firewood, fodder for animals etc. So they could not afford money for buying kerosene as fuel or buying seeds and fertilizer for farming. In their village there was electricity but only for some time in a day and taps without water. The children from Kheri village faced difficulty to study in new language in the new school where the teachers did not care much about them. The people from Kheri did not get accommodation together in Sinduri and the local people of Sinduri did not welcome them and called them unwanted guests. Thus the family of Jatrabhai felt lonely and full of struggle in Sinduri village. Question 13. Why did Jatrabhai leave Sinduri and go to Mumbai? Answer. Jatrabhai, with his family, had to leave Kheri due to government project of dam construction and went to Sinduri village. The life in Sinduri village was full of struggle and distress. They did not have any steady source of income and also no proper education for the children. Besides, the neighbors, who were the local people of Sinduri, did not accept them heartily and called them unwanted guests. These are why Jatrabhai decided to leave Sinduri and went to Mumbai where there was a chance to fulfill his dream of a better future, better life and better education for children. Question 14. How did Jatrabhai face difficulty in cooking food in Sinduri? Answer. Jatrabhai did not have sufficient money to live his daily life smoothly. He had to pay for everything he needed in Sinduri, like medicines, food, vegetables, even for firewoods and fodder for animals. So he could not afford to buy kerosene as fuel for cooking food, so he used to use rubber pieces of old tires. These caught fire fast and also saved some firewoods. But the smoke of burning tires were terrible and also very dangerous and harmful to health. But he was compelled to do so. That was how Jatrabhai had to face a lot of difficulties in each and every aspect of life like cooking food.
This is the end of this video. All the other videos of the class 5 EVS chapters with such question and answer are there in this channel. The links are given in the description also. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you think it is helpful. Thank you for watching.